out the circumstances. We've got to believe. We've got to believe. We've got to stand on His word. We've got to stand on His promise. We've got to stand on His word. Stand on His promise. And we've got to say yes. We've got to say yes. And this is what we say yes to. To your will and to your way. We've got to trust and obey.